may have been wondering what happens if we take two notes that aren't part of the same scale and put them together. What would happen if you paired C and F sharp, for example? Or how about A flat and F sharp? Certainly some pieces of music do this. Well, the answer is that you could create diminished or augmented intervals. A diminished interval is a pair of notes that has been narrowed by 1/2 step from its minor or perfect version. So the letter names of the two notes are the same, but maybe one has a flat or sharp on it now, and the interval doesn't span as many piano keys in width. And, of course, it sounds different. So remember how C and G will make a perfect fifth when C is on the bottom? Well, if we make the G a G flat instead, we still have 5 letter names, C, D, E, F, G, which makes a fifth, but it's definitely not a perfect fifth anymore. And since we've made the interval narrower, that is, we've moved the notes closer together, we've diminished it. This is now a diminished fifth. Now there are only 5 empty piano keys between them. You can diminish any interval you want, even one that's already diminished. But we'll only call that interval a diminished one if it's 1/2 step narrower than minor. So for seconds, thirds, sixths, and sevenths, that would apply, or 1/2 step narrower than perfect for fourths, fifths, and octaves. This particular interval, the diminished fifth, which is 6 half steps wide, or 3 whole steps wide, is also commonly referred to as the tritone because it contains those 3 whole steps or whole tones, because tri means 3. It's popular in scary or angry sounding music because the notes really clash. In fact, in the medieval days, musicians called it the devil in music and told composers not to use it.